So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to underline text on the Notes app for the Mac. So once the Notes app is opened up, I'm just going to go ahead and type in the word underline text right here. If you wanted to underline the entire thing, highlight the entire thing, go to this top bar, press the capital A and the lowercase a. Where there's the U with the underline, go ahead and select that, and you can underline text that way. If you want to only underline maybe certain parts, like maybe you only wanted to underline certain parts of the text, just make sure you highlight whatever you want to do. Press the U with the underline right there, and then you can, of course, do it that way. If you want to undo it, you can highlight it, press it, just simply press it one more time, and it'll underline, or I guess undo the underline that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to underline text on the Notes app for the Mac. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.